Hey there guys, so just want to do a quick video on some of the differences between iOS 13 Beta 3 and Beta 4. So I have two iPhone SEs. One is rose gold, one's gold, not that that really matters, but one is running Beta 3 here and one is running Beta 4. So some of the things that were mentioned on Mac Rumors that were changed, I can't really check on here, but basically they added quick actions. Not sure if they work on this phone, let's see. They do. Okay. Wow. All right. So before, it would just go into wiggle mode. And this is an SE, so it does not have 3D touch or haptic touch. But if you hold down, you now get an option to do pretty much everything that 3D touch does. Or you can rearrange your apps. So if you weren't trying to do this, you just hit that, and it goes into wiggle mode. That's pretty cool. So I wonder if that works on... It sure does. All right. Very nice. Most recent photo. That might be a little bug. So that's pretty cool. Nice little addition there. Let's see. 3D touch settings. Okay. So this is in the accessibility section of the settings app on the new one. So let's go in here. Let's see. Where is our accessibility? Right here. Yeah, it says it's under the touch menu. Well, that's interesting. So there's not even an option in here for it, but they do show it on here. So on here they show it with a newer iPhone. But that's cool. That's kind of cool. So it works on the SE. Another thing that they mentioned in here was the share sheet had some minor tweaks done to it. So let's just go into our camera here. You know, I guess holding the phone is not going to work. All right, so something that's weird here is in the all photos here, it shows all the photos here, but on Beta 4, it's showing them as like that. You can't really change it. Yeah, not sure. Anyway, so let's go ahead and click this one, open the share sheet here, had that nice little fly in. All right, let's try this. Okay, so subtle differences. A little bit lighter on this side. Not sure. Yeah, it's just a little bit more transparent. So this is darker. This is more transparent. This is dark. This is in the dark mode. So, and I think they did that to make it easier to read. Although I think the Beta 3 looks easier to read, and my phone doesn't really. My camera doesn't really show that. So looks like about the same options there. Icons look about the same, but I think they're just trying to make it more legible. So that's cool. Yeah, options look about the same. Nothing really too crazy there. Some things I did notice were in the maps. Okay, yeah, I was thinking maybe there's a difference. No, there's no difference. So yeah, the address bar is a little bit lighter here, and looks like the icons are about the same color. It's just not really showing it properly on here, but it's definitely lighter and more transparent on this one. So that's interesting. Let's see, what else can we try that might look different? I don't think any of them really look different. Yeah, you can definitely see a difference on some of these. Just the gradients on these are a little bit different. Yeah, but those look about the same there. Yeah, the search bar is light here, and it's black there. Yeah, so little subtle differences, nothing really crazy. Oh, I will show you the build number, so you can see how many builds we went through here. So on Beta 3, our build number was 17A5522G. I think that was the revised Beta 3. Or maybe it wasn't, I don't know, I'm not really sure. And then Beta 4 is 17A5534F. So, only a couple builds. Only a couple there. And let's see, what else were they saying? So they were saying voice message option in messages is different as well. So let's look at that. All right. Let's do that later. So we'll just pop a message up here. No? There we go. All right. I guess you have to be connected to, you actually have to be connected to someone with iMessage for this to work. So never mind. Yeah, but it is ever so slightly lighter here on the other phone, on Beta 4. That's kind of interesting. Very interesting. Touch on this one is just very odd. So you can see the search bar is different, and you can also see on the dot 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 here, see how it's blue? On here it's white. So just subtle little differences. Gotta love the beta stuff. Let's see, and then the widgets. When editing widgets in the Today view, you'll see a new look for the edit button, which is all pill-shaped rather than circular. So if we go here, let's go down. Wow. So the edit button is pill on 4 and a circle on 3. So really subtle differences. So in order to not make this super long, I didn't really notice much difference other than what I've referenced and what Mac Rumors referenced. I do go through a couple of the other apps and just compare them between the two phones. Honestly, I don't see many differences, but I think at this point it's kind of just going to be small tweaks here and there. Anyway, so I didn't want to make this too long. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, and thanks for watching.